Hi. The TradingView Pine Script has an issue with the decimal points. Let's understand the problem and its solution. Here, we have an RSI indicator. This is an indicator function with the name, decimal problem. First, we derive and plot an RSI on the chart. Then, we have a condition: if RSI is greater than 70, we will show an arrow on the chart. To show an arrow, we will use the plot shape function. The arrow will be green in color, triangle up in shape, and located below a bar. Now, let's add this indicator to the chart and check the output. This green line is the RSI. So, wherever the RSI is above 70, we see such small green triangles below the bars. When you put the cursor on such bars, you can check the RSI value here. So here, the RSI is 76.44, which is greater than 70, that's why the green triangle signal appears. Everything seems okay, right? Now look at this instance. Here, the RSI is exactly 70, and still, the green triangle is shown here. Our condition was that the RSI should be above 70 and not equal to 70. So how can Pine Script make such a rookie mistake? The answer is, even though we are seeing only 2 digits after the decimal point here, internally there are many more digits after the decimal point. Let's verify this. To do that, right-click on the chart. Click Settings. Select Symbol option. You will see this precision option. Open this list, and select the maximum possible decimal limit. The maximum is 15 decimals. Now see, originally we thought that the value of RSI was exactly 70. But actually, it is 70.00038006 and so on, which is technically greater than 70. That's why this green triangle appeared here. But this is not the right approach. Any user will see only the default decimal digits on the charts. So any normal user will see 70.00 on the chart and get confused by seeing the green triangle signal here. And the madness doesn't end here. See, right now, I'm on the Nifty Index chart. Here, in the RSI value as well as these OHLC values, we can see that, by default, 2 digits are shown after the decimal point. But, if I go to the USD JPY chart, then, 3 digits are shown after the decimal point. And if I go to the Bitcoin chart, then, there is no decimal point at all. So how do we create a solution that finds out the default decimal point precision of each chart and then compares only those many decimal digits in the Pine script? Let's see the solution. So, we need these 2 functions. One is, getDisplayedDecimals function. This function tells us how many digits are displayed after the decimal point on the current chart. And then, we have this truncate function. We pass our user-defined values in this function, and it will truncate or remove the extra digits after the decimal point and keep only the default number of digits. So how do we use these functions? On this line of code, simply, we have to pass our RSI variable in the truncate function, and that's all. Now on the Nifty chart, instead of using all the 15 decimal digits internally, these functions will make the code use only up to 2 decimal digits. The same will be done on the other charts as well, as per their default decimal precisions. Let's see the result. We are on the same Nifty chart again. And here we can see that, the green triangle which was present here earlier, is now gone. So today, we have solved the decimal problem in the TradingView Pine script. The link to download this code is given in the description box under this video. Thanks for watching.